time for some simple sides. Vidalia onions. Beautiful sweet onion here. Short growing season. And if you don't have a Vidalia onion, any cooking onion, Spanish cooking onion will do. Simple. So I'm just getting the outer layers off. Now the Vidalia onion is one of the sweetest onions you can find out there. It's a beautiful onion to cook with, and it goes really well on the grill. My little secret here, come on in. The X. About a half of the way down, just a simple little X. And why am I doing the little X? It's gonna look pretty. Okay, time to wrap these in some foil. Little touch of olive oil. Nice, simple little drizzle. Beautiful flavor is gonna come from this. Rub those in there. Food of love, we rub everything. It's just a beautiful thing. Vidalia's done. Apple time. Smoked apples for our Waldorf salad. A little walnut oil. Now, if you don't have walnut oil, any neutral flavor oil will do with this situation. It's nice and tart. Rub that all in there. And the reason I'm not peeling the skin is because I don't want the flesh to start to discolor. Last little rub, and off to the grill. An essential part to any good barbecuing, cold beer. I have apple chips on, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius. I'm waiting for some smoke. It's already happening. I have to work pretty quickly here now. I want to put my onions on and my apples on. Apples on, onions on. My Vidal onions, those sweet onions, they're on right now. 30 minutes have gone by. Want to open them up. A little cola inside. The caramel from the cola will help caramelize. 30 minutes more, and we're done. Just come from the grill. Beautifully done apples. Skin is smoked. Look at it's just blistered up nicely. The onions. They look so nice and they're tender. The smell on this is just incredible. You just get these out of the way for now. All right. Let's show all the hard work here. No discoloration whatsoever. So it's smoked. You can smell it. This is beautiful. Okay, salad time. Nice bite-sized pieces here. Want a nice big chunk of apple in your mouth. Celery. This will add another dimension of crunchiness. It's all about layering flavors here. Walnuts for crunchiness. This whole salad is a very crunchy salad. Raisins for my sweetness. A little sugar here. Well, limes. 3 beautiful limes at this point. Juice, because you don't get a hell of a lot of juice from the limes, so you gotta use a few of them. And I have 2 more ingredients to get here: yogurt and some mayo. Nice big dollop. Yogurt. Time for the mix. This is going to be a scrumptious salad.